Hello, students. In the previous session, we talked about the impact of climate. फिर हमने पढ़ा था climate of India और मैंने आपको बताया climate क्या है. Climate एक fundamental element है हमारे natural element का and it is the most important element of our environment. और climate और weather में difference है. Weather क्या होता है? Weather is a temperature condition of a particular place and it keeps on changing. Whereas the climate, it is a long term temperature quality of the atmosphere and it also remains at a particular place. So हमने बात करी थी कि climate of India, what type of climate India is having. So I told you about that it has the monsoon type climate. Monsoon type climate का क्या मतलब है? It is very much affected or influenced by the monsoon winds. And monsoon, we have read about monsoon. What does it mean? It means season and it is derived from the Arabic word मौसम. आज हम पढ़ेंगे factors affecting the climate of India. So here are some headings I am giving you and you can see from the book. First is the latitude. Latitude, India lies between 8 degree north and 37 degree north latitude and it has the Tropic of Cancer which passes through the middle of our country. While the southern part lies in the tropical zone, as such a temperature remains quite high during summer season all over the country except in the areas of high altitude. अगर हम बात करें तो high altitude areas they remain quite means the temperature remain quite high except in the areas of high altitude. पर high altitude पे temperature क्या हो जाता है, less होता जाता है जैसे जैसे आप height पे जाते हैं. And altitude actually what does it mean? It is the height, it is the distance from the sea level. जैसे जैसे हमारा डिस्टेंस सी लेवल से बढ़ता जाता है हमारा टेम्परेचर कम होता जाता है. फिर हमारा सेकंड है द हिमालयन माउंटेन्स. दे आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया. सेकंड है हिमालयस भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है बिकॉज दिस हाई एंड एक्सटेंसिव माउंटेन सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट्स इंडिया फ्रॉम कोल्ड विंड्स ऑफ द नॉर्थ. ये इंडिया को नॉर्थ की कोल्ड विंड से बचाता है. एट द टाइम Himalayas create monsoon winds and which causes heavy rainfall in the northern plains of India. फिर है next is distance from the sea. The peninsular character of southern India also has its climatic influence. जैसे आप देखते हैं इंडिया मैप, अगर आप देखें तो आप देखेंगे कि जो हमारा peninsular southern इंडिया है it has a long coastline. हमारे वन साइड पे बे ऑफ बंगाल है, अनदर साइड पे अरेबियन सी है एंड साउथ में जो हमारे लोअर साउथ एरिया में है उसमें क्या है, इंडियन ओशन. तो दिस लार्ज एरिया इन द मीन्स इट हैज़ अ influence of the sea, means this area has an influence of the sea, that is why it has a equable climate. Equable climate क्या होती है? Equal climate वो होती है which means where there is a little difference in summer and winter temperatures. So all over the southern part, the states which are lying in the peninsular region, they have very little difference in their summer and winter temperatures. Next factor is altitude. Altitude of land is also an important factor. ये भी इफेक्ट करता है क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस को. हाई एल्टीट्यूड है तो वहाँ पे लोअर टेम्परेचर होंगे, नॉट ओनली इन द नर्दर्न माउंटेनियस रीजन बट ऑल्सो इन द पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू. अगर आप बात करें ऊटी की, उटाकामुंड के बारे में विच इज़ इन तमिलनाडु, you may see it is very much close to the equator but still have a cool climate. नेक्स्ट हमारा है कंडीशंस इन द रीजन्स सराउंडिंग इंडिया. अब हमारा फैक्टर्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो ये भी एक फैक्टर इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स है में आता है कि जो हमारे सराउंडिंग इंडिया की रीजन्स की जो टेम्परेचर्स है वो भी हमारे इंडियन क्लाइमेट को इफ़ेक्ट करते। कैसे? टेम्परेचर, वहाँ के टेम्परेचर और दैट प्रेशर कंडीशंस इन ईस्ट अफ्रीका, ईरान, Central Asia and Tibet. They determine the strength of monsoon and the occasional dry spells of India. अब मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ साइकिल ऑफ सीजन्स। आपको पता है, अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि जैसे हमने जाना कि इंडिया हैज़ अ मानसून टाइप क्लाइमेट, तो उसी के बेस पे हमारे साइकिल्स ऑफ सीजन्स भी चलते हैं। एंड देयर आर 4 डिस्टिंक्ट सीजन्स इन इंडिया। नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू a short video related to this. I hope you will enjoy. Let us have a look.
Weather and climate. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny. The weather of a particular place depends on the temperature, the moisture in the air, the pressure of air, the movement of air or wind. Temperature is the extent of hotness and coldness of a place. The earth gets heated by the sun. As the sunlight reaches the earth, the land and the seas heat up and warm the atmosphere. This warming up of the atmosphere raises the temperature. Moisture or water vapor is always present in the air. The amount of moisture in the air rises when the sun's heat converts water from the oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes into water vapor. This is the reason why coastal areas get more rainfall than places away from the coast. Air pressure is the weight of air as experienced from all directions on land. When air heats up, it rises and creates an area of low pressure on the Earth's surface. The surrounding cool air moves in to replace this rising air. This air comes from areas where the pressure is high. This movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area causes wind. The wind is sometimes a light, pleasant breeze. At other times, it can be very strong and can cause a storm or a hurricane. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate of a place depends on its average monthly or yearly temperature, average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate influences the type of food people grow and eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in, the types of plants that grow and animals that can live in the region. Seasons. The seasons of the earth occur because of the rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. There are mainly 3 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, and winter. Summer. From March onwards, it grows hot. March, April, and May are the summer months. Monsoon. From the month of June, rain clouds gather in the sky, bringing rain to most parts of India. The rains continue till the end of September. June, July, August, and September are rainy months. Winter. After the rains, the weather becomes drier and cooler. October, November, December, January, and February are winter months. January is the coldest month. Seasons change in an orderly fashion. This change of seasons from summer to monsoon to winter is called the cycle of seasons.
So I hope you people have enjoyed this video related to your seasons, change of seasons and their particular months. And after that we'll start about the distribution of rainfall. But distribution of rainfall is not much in your syllabus for this class, so you will read about this much about your next class. एंड आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड द वीडियो और आपको कुछ समझ आया होगा. उसके साथ साथ मैं अब आपको कुछ होमवर्क देना मांगूंगी. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि आप अपने क्वेश्चन बैंक नोटबुक में करेंगे, जैसे कि नेम एनी 2 फैक्टर्स विच इफेक्ट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया. Second is, what type of climate is experienced in areas adjacent to sea? Next, which are the main seasons in India? You know very well. And one more, name the place which receives the highest rainfall. It is a GK question as well as your question related to your geography, but it will not be there in the copy. You leave this question, and the rest of the question which I have given you, climate is experienced in adjacent areas to sea. What are the main seasons in India? These you will do in your practice copy. Thank you and have a nice day.